Welcome students. Actually we are on a mission to transform knowledge, to transform our lives. Right now we are enriching ourselves with ethics. We name the course as social purpose of the firm. In this we will do wonderful things, case study and all. We will see how design thinking is applied in ethics. We will see how can we connect design thinking and ethics. So what we know so far, we know the foundation concepts, we know the core principles of what is business ethics, and we also know the theoretical frameworks like we know utilitarianism. We know about the global context in which we operate. Can you guess exactly what are we going to do today with these pictures? Okay, as you guessed. So ethics in action, how ethics is acting, how our business are actually following. Right? That is ethics in practice. That's what we are going to do today. Fine? It's going to be read by the students.
Situation when Ratan Tata refused to pay bikes to government approvals potentially lost in mines in revenue and competitive advantage. Tata Group statement by the decisions Tata chose transparency over shortcuts, establishing industry benchmarks for ethical businesses practices despite short-term cost. The impact of the decisions reinforced Tata Group's reputations globally, attracting ethical investors and top while setting industrial standards. Today we are going to discuss about India's number one. Today we are going to discuss about India's biggest scam, the Satyam Computer Service Standard. Year 2003, between the 2008, the reception, Chairman Ramalinga Raju inflated revenue by 7,000 crores, manipulating the account to show fictional profit and growth. Next, the January 2009, the confession, Raju admitted to the fraud in letter to the board, revealing the every cash balance and non-existing interested income. Next, the aftermath, the stock price collapsed, 78% thousand of employees affected, the investor confidence in Indian IT sector service damaged. Next, the long-term consequence, stricter corporate governance norm implemented and enhanced audit requirement and permanent damage to the Satyam computers. Let's apply design thinking methodology to analyze ethical decision making in Indian business. First, empathize. Understand stakeholder, employee, customer, shareholders, and community member affected by the business decision. Second, define the ethical dilemma and identify interest, cultural consideration, and regulatory constraints. Third, ideate. Generate multiple solutions that balance profit motivates with social responsibility and stakeholder welfare. Fourth, prototype. Test ethical framework through scenario planning and stakeholder consultations before implementation. Last, test. Evaluate outcomes against ethical standards and adjust policy based on real-world feedback and results.
Let's get into the scenario challenge. If you are the CEO of an Indian pharmaceutical company, the life-saving costs 500. To produce it, priced at 5,000. Rural patients cannot afford it, but reducing prices threatens profitability and investors' return. Let's get into the question session. Question 1. What stakeholder must you consider in this decision? Let us think about it further. And second one, how do you apply utilitarian ethics to the dialogue? And the third one, what innovative solutions could balance profit with social responsibility?
Takeaways from this session, we learned about the cultural context matters. Indian business ethics must navigate traditional values, family business structures, and relationship-based commerce while meeting global standards. Then long-term value creation. Ethical practices will sustainably when competitive advantage through enhanced reputation, stakeholder trust, and regulatory compliance. Then innovation through ethics. And the innovation through ethics, design thinking helps identify creative solutions that serve multiple solutions, then the stakeholders while maintaining profitability and social impact. Thank you.
Students, you all did a very good job. We analyzed the case study. It's more than the expectations. We all one by one we gone through all the slides. We learned many things. We upskilled ourselves. We enhanced our ethical mindset. We have transformed our lives. I'm very happy. These are the further references. We can to learn more. Happy learning. Thank you.